Hi guys, it's day 9 of my daily vlogging. I said 5 days, but now we're in day 9. But besides the fact that I have been successfully vlogging daily, I also wanted to mention that yesterday I overcame a personal fear of mine, which is driving. I uploaded the video yesterday, so it is already up. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. Anyways, this video is about day 9. So today my mom came home earlier than usual. I noticed she was on her phone a lot, so I wondered, what could she be looking at? But anyways, she said she was gonna make fried rice with leftover ulam, so I thought perfect because I haven't been vlogging all day. So I directed her to put her apron like so for the vlog. And here she is cooking the fried rice one meat at a time. Just kidding. Now she's cooking for real, tapping one meat at a time because we don't really want to mix them, I guess. I had to change the shot away from the food because aesthetic. But tell me why my mom put the rice in without telling me. I guess she knows how to mix now. Let's get a shot of those earrings without actually focusing on them. Okay, now it's time to grab a bowl and time to plate. A shot of the bar stool, because why not? I guess she's all done.